What happens when life gives you a second chance at love, but takes away your ability to trust it? After losing his first love, Ravin thought his story had ended. But destiny had other plans. Because sometimes the second love hurts even more than the first. Can Love Happen Twice is the sequel to I Too Had a Love Story. It continues his real-life inspired journey after losing his first love, Khushi. This story begins where Ravin's first love story ended, with loss. After Khushi's death, Ravin is completely shattered. To escape the memories, he moves to Belgium for work. New country, new people, but the same broken heart. In Belgium, Ravin lives a lonely and mechanical life. He avoids emotional connections and carries the pain of his past everywhere. That's when he meets Simar. Simar is everything Ravin is not at that moment. She's cheerful, independent, and full of life. At first, they are just friends. Simar slowly brings warmth back into Ravin's life. She makes him smile again, something he thought he had forgotten. Their friendship turns into love. Ravin starts believing in life again. For him, Simar is not just a girlfriend, she is his second chance at happiness. Their relationship grows stronger day by day. They spend time together, travel, celebrate moments, and build dreams. Ravin, who once feared love, now fully embraces it. He becomes deeply committed and emotionally invested. For Ravin, love is pure, intense, and forever, just like it was with Khushi. He even dreams of marrying Simar and settling down. But here's where things start to change. Simar begins to see things differently. She is ambitious and career-focused. She wants independence, growth, and a modern lifestyle. Slowly, she feels that Ravin is too emotionally dependent on her. She feels pressured by his intensity and expectations. For Ravin, love means commitment and sacrifice. For Simar, love must not come in the way of her personal goals. This difference in thinking creates distance. Arguments begin. Misunderstandings grow. And finally, Simar decides to end the relationship. This breakup destroys Ravin. He had already lost Khushi and now he loses Simar too. But this time, the pain is different. It's not fate that took love away. It's a person's choice. Ravin falls into deep depression. He becomes emotionally unstable and loses interest